Each word I speak is measured and clear, a voice of reason that all can hear. Plans are laid on steady ground, in silence wisdom will be found. I build with language, brick by brick, a timeless truth, a voice that sticks. Through trials faced, through walls of doubt, my careful words will still ring out. Words of stone, strong and true, guiding forward, building new. Every thought, a steady tone. Mercury speaks in lines of stone. No fleeting talk, no careless sound. Each phrase is shaped, refined, profound.